Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Karthikeyan sir, good evening. Ganesh Arvind sir, good evening. Adesh, Palja, thanks for confirming. Venkataraman Ganeshan sir. Good evening sir. Satya Classics, welcome to the live stream. Okay, now quickly let me just share my view about the market. You see market at this range, it is facing resistance and this trend line is acting as support, right? So market is trading between the resistance and support. At this point of time, it is better that we wait for some more time. For example, let's say market came to this support and it is trying to hold on to this range, and then there is a possibility of momentum towards the upside. Or if it breaks this level, retest shows continuation, then we'll focus on bearish trade. Not just this channel pattern, market you can see is also forming a symmetric pattern, right? If you remove this trend line, this became the support. Continuously, this area is acting as a resistance. From last 2 days, the seller's pressure zone, I think I have discussed with you guys. Market is only trading within this range. So this is a very tight range. Market is trading between that. So as long as market is holding on within this range, it is a bit challenging itself. Let the market open any small spike towards the downside quickly rather than entering. We'll just wait and see how market is reacting at this zone and this zone, right? If it's holding on to the upper range and giving a breakout or breakdown. This is a selling pressure zone, but this has been tested many times. If market goes above the zone and shows continuation, then we'll focus on bullish trade. Hi, today I added money in my Delta Exchange account. How can I join the group? You just send a WhatsApp message to this phone number. Okay. So once you send this, maximum by tomorrow is Saturday, right? So Indian market also is not there. We will give you the access. All right. You share your Delta Exchange user ID. Chandru sir, good evening. Lakshmi Babu sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Suresh Kumar sir, thank you. And thanks to everyone who's liking the live stream. As of now, I have not decided anything. 4 minutes we still have. Let the market open. We will see what kind of opportunities we have, right? Based on that, we will decide. Mark some certain important levels. It is trapping people on both the side. For example, let's say from recent swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level, market is holding on somewhere near 618. From here, it was showing some kind of pullback. Again, it is moving towards the downside. So like this confusion market is creating. Vaishnav sir, welcome to the live stream. Around 50 people watching the live stream, only 19 likes. Those of you who's new to the channel, every day we come live around 8 o'clock. So if you're interested for live market analysis in English, you can join the group. I know there are many Hindi channels, but especially for people in the south, they find it very difficult to speak Hindi. So my Hindi also is not that good. So English has become a bit common among South Indians. Even North Indian, many people can understand. So support the channel. There are many Hindi channels. For them, the views and everything definitely is more compared to the English channels. Still, I'm making an effort to make the content only in English. Can you teach one strategy when US market opens between 7 to 8 with profit of 2 to 3k? Sir, more than that, I'm working on option selling strategy, right? So we are testing that strategy a lot, but that strategy will be, in crypto, everything is a daily expiry, right? Contract expire on daily basis around 5 o'clock, 5:30. There is a strategy which we are working on. If that works out, we will definitely share that with you, right? Become a part of our crypto community group members. You will get free access to those videos. Still work is going on, so we are just seeing the success rate. Based on that, we will launch that. Okay, those of you who wish to open account with Delta Exchange, please do that and send a WhatsApp message to this number. We will give you access to our crypto community group, where you get access to our strategies and updates which we share on regular basis. Likely I've not shared any update, but from Monday more updates will be coming in the group. So if you're interested, you can join. Meantime, about myself, a lot of time I've spoken about myself. I'm not that important person for you guys to, uh, you know, I'm just a small, simple middle class guy. Consider me that way. This is around 1,000 points. I'm just considering this area as a supporting zone, right? Market is coming very close to the support. Will it hold on to this range is something which I want to look at. Any kind of buying pressure or anything as such. But to enter a buy trade for this, stop loss should be around from where the market is there, around 900 points should be the stop loss. That is one concern. Stop loss I cannot keep below this candle, trader. Stop loss has to be somewhere here, at least below this candle, so that in case market gives a breakdown and then correct also, right? It gives a breakdown here, then corrects also. I'll be able to capture the moment. So proper entry I have to get. First, if market gives direct breakdown, any reversal I will check. But if it holds on to this range and shows bearishness, then I'll be looking for bearish trade. Why don't we trade in spot chart? Spot chart is just an indication, right? We don't have trading facility, just like Nifty, Bank Nifty chart, right? I take this chart, I share my view and all those things, right? In the spot chart, can we take trades? No, right? We have to either buy the futures, or we have to buy options, or we need to sell options. Same way in in Bitcoin spot chart, you cannot this one trade. That's why we choose either futures or options market. This risk is close to 800 points, traders, if I want to look for a pullback. So I'll do one thing. I'll just this continuously it is correcting from the selling pressure zone, but pullback according to me is pending. But this one is around 800 points. So for 800 points, at least 1,600 points I have to get. So if I'm entering somewhere here, up to this zone I have to keep the target. Looks like a reasonable setup itself. Let me see. I'll add some quantity here. Those are a bit worried. You can. Okay. So my stop loss will be little lower than this. Okay. And for this, I'll be looking for 1:2 1 is to, yeah, at least 1 is to 2 risk reward. Little better price I've got here. We will see. If market had broken this level a bit, and then if it had given a pullback, it would have been even more better for me. But okay, I'm happy with whatever price levels I've got the entry, and for this risk is around 600 points. But here, if I had entered around 900 to 1000 points, I should have kept the stop loss. So that's okay. This is a reasonable stop loss target trade for me. In the future, let's say market moved down, it went above this level, showed bearishness, then I'll focus on bearish trade. Until then, focus will be on bullish trade itself for me. Head and shoulder in 3 minutes. Where, sir? Are you speaking about left shoulder, head, right shoulder? This one? Uh, this one I'm not considering because see the right shoulder is bigger than the left shoulder. So for me that doesn't make sense. So for $30 risk, around $80 is a reasonable target. In 1 hour or daily time frame, what is your view, bullish or bearish? See, my view is kind of bearish itself as long as it comes, it stays below the seller's pressure zone. Okay, let me switch to 1 hour time frame. Here you see the sellers, they are continuously re-entering. They're not allowing the market to go lower than this. One time market reaches this level, right? If it holds on, gives a breakout, then it has potential. Until then, it is a bit tricky situation itself for us. Let me see. I've taken one trade, so we'll focus on that for a while. Anyways, target stop loss is fixed. What was the trade setup today? You're asking about this setup, or you're asking me about BTC? You're asking about Nifty Bank Nifty. Nifty Bank Nifty, this was the trading setup. At this zone, I think in free Telegram group also I had said, this is the seller's pressure zone. Even if Bank Nifty gives a breakout here, potential of down move is there. Look for bullish trade only above this. So whoever made use of it, okay. In BTC, the logic is market is trading within a symmetric pattern range. Sometimes what might happen is market can move towards the downside. It can give a breakdown, attract some people, and later correct. How much big correction market will do that? I'm bit. It can sometimes make 1,000 points also. But for this setup, if buyers re-enter after this breakdown quickly, if the moment comes, for that, instead of placing stop loss here, little lower only I have placed, right? So I'm not changing the stop loss levels or anything as such. My expectation was little more breakdown. If it gives later, if it moves also, no problem, but it is holding on to this range. As of now, it is just $18 profit. In Indian market, if Sufficient capital is available. Would you say trading in futures is better compared to options? When you trade in options, things are, I mean, especially option selling, things are even, it can be even more better. But only thing is, overnight positions we cannot, you know, hold on. So if you see today in Nifty, for example, I had said in the free analysis video which I posted also, 23,000, 22,000. So if a person is having enough capital, he's just looking for very small returns in the market, he could have just earned in the sideways market itself when market is even in volatile condition. So to a certain extent, option selling is better, then future market is better, then option buying is better. In Indian market, as much as possible, they're trying to increase the margin, increase the lot size. Expiries they are changing. So if from weekly expiry, if it is going to monthly expiry, then yes, the premiums will be more, right, for Bank Nifty. So only week end of the month we can plan our trades. Reasonable premiums will be getting. I mean, for people who has less capital. So as much as possible, people without option, they're looking for option buying. But definitely option selling is better. If you understand the concept of price action stop loss hunting, even in option buying, there is a good chances of making decent money, but you have to give it some time. You have to be ready to take small losses to capture big movement in the market. Around 54 people watching the live stream, only 29 likes. Come on, traders. Whoever has not yet liked the video, please do that and mention your name in the comment section. We will announce your name. Top 5 names, okay? Quickly match the at least view equal to likes. I'm not asking more, right? But small stop losses are becoming big one, and capital is going. See, it is just that you need to plan trades according to your risk capacity, right? And if you just plan everything, let's say 3 trades I'm taking, on these 3 trades I made loss, means it is not end of the world. It is a series of trades, right? 20-30 trades you take. For that you have to have less quantity you're trading, no problem, do that. So once you start trading with less quantity, how much capital you're able to protect, how long? Let's say you bring in 20,000 rupees, okay? Everything you cannot finish it in 2-3 trades, right? You're here in this market to learn. So during this learning phase, the best thing what you have to do, reduce the quantity. You have to get the feel of the market. So at least let's say 10 quantity, 20 quantity, like that. You have to plan your trades, enter the market, and try to protect as much your capital as much as possible by managing your risk. If you do that, let's say your success rate is even 50% out of 30 trades. Let's say at least 15 trades you're making 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, then eventually you will be profitable. At the beginning stage, yes, it can be a bit challenging what to do. Now, from the time we got the entry, market has given close to 1000 points move. Those who wish to book the profit, you can do that. Entirely up to you. Can I enter fresh trade? No. See where the market is and where our entry point is. Here, difficult, sir. Randomly, you should not enter. How to manage that? Regularly follow this channel. You see, don't get too much tensed even if I'm making losses, because I know eventually over a period of time, every time our risk reward is more. Every time I'm taking $1 risk, for that I'm making $10. In this trade also, my risk is $30. My target is $80, and I'm trying to stick to the target. Market from here only it might reverse, something can happen, right? Chances is there, but me sticking to my risk reward and things like that has helped me a lot in stock market, so I do that. Now close to 1400 points. So those of you who wants to trail your stop loss to the maximum, please do that, because I've told you, right, this is a symmetric pattern range and market is respecting that level. So as much as possible, trail your stop loss and go for this trade, so that quickly if it reverses also, as much as possible, profit you can book. Okay. So I have reduced my, let it break, come on, break. Target I'm changing. Okay, this was the ideal target, but I'm extending the target if it moves up. I think I've trailed my stop loss too much. Market has to give a proper closing. Risk reward as per this 1:2.5. Have a look at that. Okay, I've, like I said, trailed the stop loss too much, so it has hit the trailing stop loss. In case your trailing stop loss is not hit, just try to see if, wait and see until what this candle does. Okay, by just by mistake I put off the trailing stop loss, sorry for that. Now those of you who entered the trade, what happened to your setup? Tomorrow are you planning to come live? Sure sir, depending on how the market condition is. I don't look at the currency and all those things, because it's not as per exactly near the target traders. Exactly. Target hit here, 1600 points. I did some silly mistake here, extending the this one, and extending the this one no problem, because I, as much as possible, I could have got that, but trailing the stop loss within this candle only, I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, those who are still holding on to the trade, as much as possible, try to, target is done, but still potential is there, give trailing stop loss, don't exit, right? That is my suggestion. See if, trail your stop loss as much as possible. Okay, up, maybe up to this zone, and try to see if you can capture up to 91,000. Still holding the trade. Okay sir, good. Up to 91,000 potential is there. Trail the stop loss as much as possible up to this zone, right? What a silly mistake. Yeah, who's holding? Hold on. 91,000. Any selling setup? No selling setup as of now. This is the seller pressure zone. I know that, but trail. See, market can retest, but let's not take too much risk. Trail off your stop loss up to this zone. Just the 200 points for 91,000. Okay. In case this candle moves up, quickly below this candle, stop loss. Okay. Quickly below this candle, stop loss. New candle is opened. Keep your stop loss here. If it hits, fine, no problem. Okay. If stop loss hits, fine. Don't think about re-entering. 99,991. What can I say about this? So much Market has given anyone trailing stop loss is done means okay, close to 2200 points, but here the high of this candle is just 8 points lower. What can I say? Anyways, this was a very good trade as per my, again traders, this is the seller's pressure zone. Okay, people might be thinking of entering bearish trade here, but that is not my interest right now. Trailing SL done, good trade. Okay, is there any fees collect for live session, sir? Everything related to crypto I'm sharing here is absolutely free of cost. Okay, everything. Even the courses of people who open account with Delta Exchange, the courses what we provide, everything is free. Update what I share in crypto group, everything is free. So in Hindi, there is a lot of channels who speak about crypto and everything, but somehow I'm trying to build this community for South Indians and people whose common language is English. So support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me also to make, or else at some point of time I will lose interest. Don't think about any bearishness, traders. Many people here, they will be thinking about bearish itself, considering this area as resistance, this area as resistance. As of now, nothing bearishness is looking for me. Trailing, yes. Lakshmi Babu sir, how much was your profit? Did I miss anybody's message? If I missed, please message me back. So please give option selling strategy for crypto. Yeah, working on that. Amarnath sir, I'm working on that. I've given the strategy, team is testing everything. Once the success rate is more, once we fine tune the strategy, only then everything will be free for crypto community group members. So you can join that by opening account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box. You guys can check it out. Now next opportunity, little we will see. If this was a breakout, let's say this was a correction here, any bullishness, maybe again we could have attempted. If I enter here, this is around 450 points risk. Entered the trade here, right? Re-entering here. For that, again, we need to prepare our mindset. Miss the trade. Okay, no problem. Next opportunity, if we get, I will let you know. See, I'm thinking about this continuation. Market has tested this level too long. No high of the candle is 91,000 finally. That's really great, sir. Learning a lot. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Ganesh, sir. Please explain SL order in detail. See, all of those things I have explained in my free video which I've posted on YouTube. I think you guys have not checked that out. So if you, it's around 30-35 minutes video. In that I have clearly explained how to play stop loss, target, how to calculate our profit and loss in dollars, because we trade in Indian market, we are used to rupees, how to trade in all of those things I have discussed. This breakout, retest and then upside movements, okay. Here to enter, little skeptical. By chance anyone is holding on to this trade, right? Please, below this candle you place the stop loss. If you want to hold, you can hold. Potential is there, traders. Potential is there. Mm, what can exactly this zone? This zone. This is completely seller's pressure zone, right? But you see from here, for liquidity sake, if it comes little lower and moves up, that is the problem of entering. At least up to this zone, I have to give stop loss. That is one concern. Sir, my question. What question, Pranav sir, you asked? How can I enter fresh trade now? Now, whoever's interested, maybe with small stop loss here, right? We can just look for opportunity. Stop loss, we should ideally give it here. But if market breaks this level, up to this zone also it can come. That time, what will be the risk for the trade? I think it will be around 600, 700, 700 points. 700 points risk we have to take. That is one concern. Let's say for long trade, entry here, stop loss here, and for this risk reward is decent for this trade, only 400 points risk. So let me enter. Even I have entered fresh trade. First trade here done. Very small stop loss only I have taken for this trade. Till see, this is setup 1. Okay, whoever's continuing, continue. Again, I'm focusing on bullish. So next target will be the above section of seller's pressure zone. This is a tricky setup itself, but stop loss is very small. Already first trade we have made the profit. We can use that. What is global market? Global market though, it's positive, but not that much. After this 200 points move, if market is trying to take some rest within the zone, creating flag pattern or correcting a bit, right, attracting people, if that is what market is doing, too much stop loss I cannot give for this trade. There's a reasonable stop loss. That setup, for that setup to happen, I have to wait for some more time. Here only if I get the move, okay, or else next time when I get that setup, that I will focus. Did I miss? Around 68 people watching the live stream. I am looking for entry around 90,400. 90,400. Somewhere here. Breakout, retest, breakout. See, that is a good safe plan itself. Market can correct and here you can capture the moment. But after this move, how much people will from here only, if the market move, we will miss out on opportunity. So one attempt here with small stop loss is fine. I'll give that stop loss. Next time if market is coming to this zone, right, then I'll focus on the next setup. Okay, I've given a small stop loss here for this trade. Market is thinking to consolidate. The setup is not there. This existing trade setup, whoever is holding, breakout, retest. Up to this zone, you see two areas market can correct, this zone or this zone. If you want to be on a safer side, please, for reference, I'm saying, you can mark the Fibonacci level and keep. So 382 can be a strong support area for continuation. See, sir, 90,400 range market has come. It seems like a strong resistance. Can we 90,900, this zone, like I said, this is big sellers pressure zone. From not today, from last 4 days, I'm saying. But market is staying on to that range for longer duration. So at some point of time, it has to break. When it breaks, all these levels will not be respected. Market can move up to the next zone also, right? At least up to this area. So that possible 94,000. Sorry about this. Exactly, market is respecting 382 level, right? As long as market is trying to hold on to this range, no need to focus on any bearish trade in the market. Okay, consider this as the immediate protection. First is 382 level of Fibonacci and also this trend line. This trend line after breakout, usually in price action, what happens? Market gives a breakout, it comes for a retest to remove weak players who entered at the breakout. After that, continuation. This possibility is there. That is why I'm saying no need to look for any bearish trade in the market as of now. Traders, in the comment section, just let me know the logic. Are you able to understand why I'm saying no need to take any bearish trade? Next support is 89,600. See, this is the immediate support. Let market go below the support, then we will see. Now market has given a breakout, retest. It is showing some buyer's pressure. So this can be the strong zone, right? Where market breakout, retest, 382 level support, trend line support. From here, next 92,000. You might say it is a bigger target. Already here 2,000 points market had given, right? Additional for it to do, I don't think should be a problem. If it is bullish, if market is bullish, 1,000, 2,000 points is nothing for it. Pullbacks, correct me if I'm wrong, I have observed the pullback are around 50 to 70% after such high impulse move. See, what you're saying is possibility is there, but at every level we can't keep considering that market can hold. At this zone, 382 level to a certain extent is a strong support where I have observed many times. If it wants to be very strong, it holds on to 382 level. By chance, if it is breaking this level, only then next opportunity we will see somewhere at the bottom. Until then, we will be considering this as a buyer's pressure zone, so we will not be planning for any bearish trade. Okay, traders, if you're making use of the things which I'm saying, then share your view in the comment section. support the channel by liking the video. Every day I come live around 8 o'clock. So if you're interested, join you can join us every day. Srinivas sir, I hope I've given you the clarity. If market is extremely bullish, right? If it wanted to remove weak players, it could would have gone up to this zone, right? Attracted some buyers and it would have corrected. But here it has broken all these levels and it is trying to remove weak buyers. After removing weak buyers, then market has chance of continuing. Sir, I'm happy to join. Okay. We are happy to have you too in the channel. Sheila Muttu ma'am. Excuse me. As long as market is holding on to this range, no need to focus on any bearish trade considering the previous zone as resistance. Okay. I'm not interested in any bearish trade. If market wants to move down, let it move. But as per my understanding, this should be the buyer's re-entry or pressure zone, right? Breakout, retest, 382 level support. From here again, a upside move. Sir, please come live Saturday and Sunday since there is no Indian market. Indian market is not there, I agree, but I have a family also, no? So Monday to Friday, every time if I'm just focusing on work, spending time with family becomes very difficult, right? So for that, uh, during the first half of the day itself, many things I have to take care of. Satya Classic, sir, understood. Taken bullish entry. Okay, sir. Actually, there's a good spot, right? Stop loss is reasonable. If market goes very big movement, we can capture. And by the time it gives a breakout, here, right? As much as possible, we can get off our stop loss to cost. All of these advantage in the setup we have. Someone was asking, right, how to find out a small risk, bigger target setup. These are the setups. If you lose, you are going to lose very small. Shall we take fresh entry? Wait for a bit. Who's entering now, you have to take at least 500 points risk. This is the most safest zone. If this area is okay for you, as per your risk capacity, are you okay to take risk here? Means let market come, uh, or else let's say market comes off up to this zone, it holds on little longer, and any strong candle it is making, below that we will place stop loss and look for opportunity. Here only you want to enter means this is ideally the strong support as of now in the market. Okay, so placing a stop loss here, if you want to look for bullish trade, you can try that, or wait for some time, let it go little higher, correct, and then show continuation. This is my view about the market. So there is a fair value gap zone between 89,000 300 to, what is your opinion? See, at this point of time, if market comes here, later we will see. I expect this area to be a strong, if these buyers who enter the market, if they are really strong, they ideally have to hold the market at this zone. So if that is the case, the setup we will focus. In case the setup fails, only then we will see where next fair value opportunities are there. Take this pullback, taken this pullback trade, no, okay. Simple stop loss just below this. Reasonable stop loss, nothing more. Logan P50, thank you very much. You're welcome. Hello, bro. How to connect Fibonacci for uptrend and downtrend? Uh, See, this is the recent swing low and this is the swing high. So from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level, you will get some pullback areas. Okay. And if you want to check Fibonacci levels for the downtrend, swing high to swing high to swing low, you draw the Fibonacci. Wherever market as of now it is respecting 618 level. So from here, if it is correcting, that might be your setup entry point, right? Good job, sir. As a South Indian, your live trading in English helps me a lot. Thank you, Sai. Thank you for the feedback. Fibonacci setting is, there is no change. It is same as the system. Market is showing some bearishness here. See, if it is trying to hit the stop loss without thinking too much, we need to consider exit, because we are trying for small stop loss, bigger target opportunity, right? So focus on that. This candle is a bit strong. From 618 level it is corrected and it is showing some continuation. In case the small stop loss hits, consider to exit. We will wait for the next opportunity. The selling pressure zone, it is just creating more liquidity before moving towards the upside. That's how I'm looking at this market. What is global market doing? The positiveness of global market has slightly reduced. uh, that is fine. In case the small stop loss what you kept, if it has hit, exit from the trade. Okay. Today what time we have the meeting? I learned from you a lot of things. Okay. SL done. For anyone trailing stop loss is hit in the statements, don't hold on to the straight. Okay. Someone was asking about fair value. This one, this is the zone. We'll see. Now I feel market is trying to create liquidity, right? It's trying to create liquidity before it wants to pull. When it wants to move up, it needs some liquidity. That is why it's holding on. It's correcting a bit. This is the seller's pressure zone. We'll see one last setup if it is available. We'll wait for that. One last setup. Anything which is convincing. If it is not convincing, then that's it. This was a convincing setup, but sellers are showing pressure. So nothing can be done about that. When can we expect education videos from you? See, every day coming to this crypto live, me explaining updates, what I'm sharing in the Telegram group, all this is education only. But education videos will come in the channel. Don't worry about that. Yes, as said, it's asked for fuel name fair value gap. Okay. This correction is very strong. So randomly, let's not plan for any uh, random entry. Any multiple confirmation we will take. Based on that, we will plan. Right. Market did not require so much correction. It had to correct here only and reverse, but it is correcting a lot from the zone means. See, problem here is, let's say these levels, it's forming lower highs, lower lows at every time people are planning to enter, right? So when we get a breakout, reasonable stop loss, bigger target, like that we can plan. Now at this 60% zone, it becomes a 50% chance because the selling has become very strong here. That's the reason I'm just quiet. Is it a rejection candle in 15 minutes? It has given a breakout has converted to failure, and it is just holding on to the lower end. Here I'm not able to see any rejection candle. It's not looking like a rejection candle. Here they're showing continuation, traders. When they show continuation, better to keep quiet. The only question is, at this breakout, weak buyers, if market wanted to remove, it removed here, right? From here, if it had corrected, weak buyers removed, then correction. But after that, it is showing continuation. How much more continuation will it show? S&P 500, Nasdaq. Oh, has turned negative. If it moves to the support, then see, this is the support 1, support 2, support 3, fourth time the support. If market moves also, then it has chances of correcting itself. So little careful we need to be about that. Seems Trump has spoken about anything. Trump's speech is around 12 o'clock, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Trump's speech is around 12 o'clock, isn't it? It is at that time. Until then, they just want to be volatile and play games. Here also, it's just correcting. Just at opening range only, it has come now. We'll see market how it's reacting at this range, right? 11 o'clock, Jerome Powell speech. 1:30, Trump speech. They don't let us to have happy weekends, right? Looking for the strategies for strategy. Still there is some space. It's around 740 points. So much 7.40 points and all we cannot kind of risk right now, because here also continuation is there, right? Nothing is, buyers are not showing some strength in the market here. This is what I'm thinking. From this zone, if market has to correct, it has to correct. But if it comes here, even if it is correcting, potential of downside move is there. But 700 points risk is what I have to take. I cannot keep my stop loss here. I have to keep my stop loss somewhere here. So continuation also is there. We'll wait, traders. Anything interesting we will take. If not, no. Sir, explain what stop loss hunting, caution and trend correction. Stop loss hunting, everything in the course I have explained. You are asking for a bigger concept which I have to take at least 1.5 hours, 2 hours to explain in detail for someone to understand. So how can I do that here? See, for example, let's say market gave a breakout here, right? After giving this breakout, many people will be interested in bullish trade. Some people, they will wait for a retest so that they get a fair price entry, right? Ideally, as per price action, stop loss hunting, this breakout failure, people stop loss hunted. Since there is, during this move, all the weak players, since market has removed, there should not be any other stop loss hunting. So from this area, market has to reverse. But that's not done. Sellers are putting pressure. They want to keep the market neutral. They don't want it to go anywhere. Say all the gains 1.7%, 1.9%, whatever gains market did, they're just this one. Now they have decided this is going to be the top, this is going to be the, sorry, this is the top, this is the bottom. Let us just stay volatile within this range, right? So that's what it looks like they decided to do. So where stop loss hunting concept work well in Indian or crypto market? In Indian market, for me, stop loss hunting, all those things works peacefully when it does. See, success rate, we just want 60 to 70%. And our risk reward, if it is reasonable. In our Indian market, somewhere near this zone, I would have taken the trade. But in crypto, you see the stop loss, what we have to give is very much high. That is one issue for us. Market as of now, it is in a confusion range. I know it's taking support at 618 level, but still looking at the sellers continuous pressure, little hesitant to take any of this one. If I have to enter here, at least here I have to place my stop loss. This will be around 700. Now since it has gone little higher, it will be close to 900 to 1000 points. It's not making sense. Correction example. Correction example means, see here, market was nicely moving towards the upside. Higher lows, higher highs. People, as long as market is holding on to this level, whoever entered at this zone during this pullback, entry on the buy side, okay, market moved up quickly. What happened? The sellers who are here, he pushed the market quickly, stop loss hunted. So this is also stop loss hunting concept. Since when you came back from your break, Indian market are not that much giving opportunity. I came 1 week back. Regularly, I'm sharing all the updates in the free Telegram group. Today also I had discussed, right? This area is a resistance. From there, market nicely, smoothly moved towards the downside. So I'm from last 1 week, I've been sharing all the setups, right? So that's why in YouTube channel, I'm not making any analysis video because quickly I'm recording pre-market analysis, everything in our free Telegram group itself, and I'm posting around 8:55 a.m. So you are interested, you can join there. Going forward, only education videos I'll be posting in this channel and crypto live. If you want pre-market analysis, join our free Telegram channel. How to join your Telegram channel? So if it's already having Delta account. No, Delta. If that is the case, you can make someone else in the family open account. Too much of correction. Anything interesting? Nothing. If possible, anyone who's keeping track of news or something like that, you can just let me know if there is any news. See, simply I would have given 1,000 points risk here. Sorry, from this. This is where I was saying. 600. 600 to 800 points risk. Very strong bearish candles. We'll mark this zone. Okay. Ideally, this is where buying pressure started, right? What if they re-enter the market at this zone? I'm thinking of one attempt here. Again, 600 points. The strong candles are a bit strong here. After giving breakdown, if it reverses again, it's a problem. This is a reasonable area. How much minutes for this candle to close? Another one more minute. Oh, sorry, 15 seconds. We'll see, traders, if we can enter a buy trade here or not, right? This candles are a bit strong, so let me wait. If this candle goes off below this zone, no point in taking a bullish trade. What is the risk? Risk is still 600 points for this. 600 points means around $30 is not a problem. Just don't want people to get influenced by taking 700 800 points risk where chances are 50-50. If probability is very high, if market is showing some buying pressure, then okay. It's not showing buying pressure. Downside SLs are available. So, nice exit people who entered at this lower level, right? Who entered here. Market has moved nicely towards the upside. So to a certain extent, nice profit they have made already. So here again coming to this trend line support. The seller pressure zone market has respected this a lot, traders. It has respected the seller pressure zone a lot. Every time it's coming to the selling pressure zone, it is correcting. Ideally, at some point of time, it has to break. I expect it here only after testing many times. But it's not given any breakout. Confidence level is 50-50%. That's why I'm not entering any trade. I'm just waiting to see if there is any, at least 2-3 confirmation I have to get. Now just because market is trying to break this level, I cannot enter a bearish trade. I know there is a selling pressure, but directly I cannot enter the trade here. Mainly market is just trying to trap people, I guess. US market is kind of bearish. In the comment section, just let me know what is we made good trade already, so don't take risk today. We made good trade already. This was a good setup, but here is there any one opportunity? That's all I'm seeing. Small stop loss, bigger target opportunity. If it is there, I will say another 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. If it is there, fine. If it is not there, then we will ignore. Does the whoever has made profit during the first trade, if you don't want to take the second trade, you want to protect your capital, you can do that. Market is very volatile. 200 points, 2000 points, 2300 points up, 2000, 2600 points down. Complete games it is playing. It would be great if you conduct live for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am ready. Is SEBI ready? As per the rule, we are not supposed to do anything as such. So I don't want to do anything against SEBI rules. Continuous bearishness breakdown. This area recent low, this was acting as support in the past. Again, market is holding on to this zone. My expectation is if market comes to this zone, then potential of reversal is high. Reversal and downside continuation. Up to this zone, okay, buyers can re-enter. I could have considered, but since market has come to this zone, look at the volume at that 8:25 p.m. 5 minutes candle. It is huge selling. I guess usually it's much volume won't come in 5 minutes. Hmm. It, here selling pressure, ideally it was looking like a retracement itself, right? Pullback, because here buying pressure was there. Here the market continuously, once it came off out of the zone, and looking at these candles, yeah, it was looking like sellers only were in control, at least up to this zone. Again, if selling pressure is coming, means what to do? It's gone nicely down. Just 5 more minutes. I'll be live. If any setup I get in the next 5 minutes, I'll try to consider that. If no setup is done available, then I'll close for the day. Just those sellers are very aggressive here, traders. Very, very aggressive. All these levels, stop loss is there. Up to this zone means how much movement market? To 1300 points. For 1300 points, risk is around 600. 1:2 risk reward is sitting here. Trump sub is going to speak today, and lot of news is also coming out. Market is very volatile. Anyways, we have to just be happy that we captured a decent moment already before all this unnecessary things. Sell hunting, market cannot I don't think it cannot target these people. Is there any random buyers? These random buyers, is market deciding to hunt their stop loss is what I'm thinking about. Finally, it can come up to this breakdown and later recover. Not getting that confidence. Breakdown would have attracted a lot of people in the market here, but this one 50% chance. It will need one pullback also, may go up. 50% chance. If pullback comes also, how strong the pullback is going to be, because these sellers, if they are strong, too much big pullback they're not going to allow. So how much can they allow? Maybe up to this zone. So for this trade, entry here, stop loss here. This looks like an okay risk reward trade. If it gives a pullback, little more benefit we have. It will need to. Sellers are strong. It's just pulling. Okay. One pullback. One pullback. Once there is a pullback and buyers are saying that they are kind of weak, sellers can re-enter, means little confidence, reasonable stop loss we will get for the trade. So live at least 9:30. Sir, 9:30 is kind of difficult. Usually if Jerome Paul or anyone is speaking about anything also, market tends to be volatile. That time I can't keep looking at the comments and everything and looking at the market, right? Little difficult. Updates maybe I'll share in this crypto community group. Okay. So if you're interested, you can join. Trapping is happening both the side traders. This trend line many people would have seen. Market has respected this. Market has given a breakdown at this trend line. So it would have attracted some bearish traders to create some trap for them. Market can move a bit towards the upside. That's why I'm not taken the bearish trade as of now. Any strong selling pressure, at least if they show, fine, or at least a pullback and then selling pressure. Here, can I place? Market is trading exactly near the entry point. This is the risk. 440, 440 points. Stop loss is a reasonable stop loss only for this trade. Not even planning up to the breakdown. Before that only I can plan the exit. This 5 minutes though I'm waiting, market is not giving pullback, it is not breaking this level. Now though something it is showing. Okay. Sir, make it full screen. If I make it full screen in the stream, I have to change a lot of things. I have to rearrange the size and things like that. Maybe I will try to make the screen a bit bigger. How to hedge futures and trade with options in BTC? Why you need to hedge futures? Already they are giving you leverage. That's a reasonable leverage only. So make use of the leverage. In Indian market, you are not getting that. Just holding traders. In 1 minute bearish flag pattern. Here only I can see. It is giving more opportunity for people to enter. Right, bearish trade. It's not showing any correction, removing weak place quickly, and then it's not moving down. It is giving opportunity for bearish traders to enter. So that's why little we are waiting for to take the entry. It is consolidation to move down. Hopefully we will see the consolidation. If it is up to the zone, fine, but if consolidation is up to this zone, any strong candle breaking this, then we have to see correction up to from this upper zone. What time is Jerome Powell's speech? 9:30. Here though it is showing some news things and all. Based on price action, stop loss hunting, fine traders. This news another 15 minutes, is it? Who's already made profit in the first trade, you don't have to plan the second trade. Okay, market is not looking that favorable. It is confusing people at this zone. Market is very choppy. Not looking that interesting. So simple attraction, stop loss hunting. I've not taken this trade. That's why I'm moving the risk reward calculator. Okay. People might think I've taken the trade, I'm changing it. Nothing like that. There is something interesting, I will try, or else nothing, traders. Sellers are not showing any kind of pressure until now. Another 1 minute for this candle to close. Let it do what it wants to do. 5 minutes usually is too late. So for some people, 1 minute seems to be too early. I usually prefer 1 minute itself. Correction at 382 level. Sorry, can someone tell me what time? Yeah, the sir lives at what time is the speech? 9:30, right? Someone said me some time back. I forgot. In Nifty, Bank Nifty, 5 minutes time frame. By using 5 minutes time frame, there it is kind of okay. I personally I do it in 1 minute time frame, but in 1 minute time frame, if I show certain things, it will be difficult for people to see and understand. So that's why I choose 5 minutes time frame. Before me sharing updates on a 5 minutes time frame, I look at the market even on a 1 minute time frame for entry points. 10 minutes to go. See, like this choppy when market is, definitely we lose interest. Forcefully, if we go to take trades, that is when problem happens. That's why I said whoever made first trade profit, keep quiet. The pullback is done, but news is there, no traders. News is there. Isn't Powell's speech at 11? Can someone tell me? What time is the speech? Some were saying around 9:30. I'll check. So if the meeting is at 11, then no point in waiting. Just thinking, should I be taking another trade or not? This looks like a okay trade for me. Whoever made profit in the first trade, if you're not interested, please don't join. I'm just considering to take this trade. Okay, stop loss I'm going to place a bit higher. Buyers are kind of putting pressure in the market. If the setup fails, I'm just small stop loss I've given. Really, this candle weak players market should have removed during this move. So hopefully if it breaks the zone, then smooth movement possibility is there, means we'll try to capture, or else very small stop loss, I'll give that an exit. Here market gave a breakdown. Okay, after this breakdown there was a pullback. Usually what happens is, to remove weak players, market tend to give a pullback. Previously this area was a support, now this area can act as resistance. Again, during this pullback, any weak players who placed their stop loss on top, hunting would have been done. After hunting their stop loss, market, if it wants to go as per the seller's pressure, it has to correct from here. That is the logic. And one more thing is, up to 382 level market went, it is correcting. Now little above 236 level only I have placed my stop loss to be a bit safe. From my end, whatever possible I have done. To target is big, stop loss is small, all of these things I have factored in, I have taken care of that. If market decides to move up, hit the stop loss. After this, it's up to the market. Someone was saying Paul's speech is somewhere around 9:30. That's why bit skeptical I was waiting, or else at the upper zone I would have considered something. Anyways, it could be SL hunting, it could be stop loss hunting downwards, and it will go back up the channel. See if it is going to go back. I'm just focusing on these strong bearish candles, right? These candles were very strong. That is the only reason I'm thinking they can continue the downside move. Here they removed weak players, hunted their stop loss, it corrected. So it's just at cost to cost, holding on to this range. It took support at previous support. You're seeing this? If that is the case, for me it is even good. In case if it breaks, even these people who re-entered, they would panic and exit. So movement can be a bit more smooth. But definitely if market is considering this as support, if it's setting the stop loss, okay, no problem to exit. But if it is attracting some people here, liquidity at the bottom, stop loss hunting levels are created at the bottom. Okay, see, very less risk trade I have taken, right? So I'm okay with whatever happens. Tomorrow Saturday, are you available? Many people are asking me to come live. I will update in the Telegram group. Okay, you guys can look there. At least 1 hour, 1.5 hours before me coming live, I will tell you. Okay. This so again going neutral. So for $22 risk, $75 is the target. It's a decent risk reward according to me. Now in the comment section, guys, let me know what is your view about the market. Do you think market will move towards the upside? This you're considering this as a false breakdown, market will move up, or you think after retesting market can continue the downside move? Quickly in the comment section, let me know. You can consider it as double bottom. You're considering this as double bottom. Okay, sir. Nothing wrong with your logic. Most of the US stocks are strong support, even S&P 500 index. It could reverse. Okay. My reasoning, I've given you already. Strong bearish candles, breakdown, attracted bearish traders. Market went for a retest, removed all weak bearish traders. After that, since these sellers are strong, they can push the market again towards the downside. So usually entering at the retest is better. Near the retest level, I've got the entry, and stop loss is a little above 236 level, right? So stop loss is small for this trade. Target is at least 1 is to 2.5. Everything was as per my requirement, and I don't think market will trap people who's at this bottom. Maybe up to this zone it can come. So with that logic, I've taken the bearish trade. D DXY is falling. That means BTC can be bullish. Okay. I have not done that kind of comparison and things like that. For me, in this chart, whatever price action is visible, I'm going as per that. Before Powell sir, if he's going to speak or things like that, little I would have been worried that price action stop loss hunting possibility is just 20-30%. But since his meeting, everyone is saying is that around 11 o'clock, then I'll stick to my price action stop loss hunting rules and I will attempt this. That's why quickly after you confirm it is at 11, I took this trade. Those of you who already made profit in this first trade, like I have told you, protect your capital. Traders, this seems like it's going to take a long time. Another 1 or 2 candles I will wait. Okay, if it is stop loss or this one, whatever it is, another 2 candles. After that, we'll close the live stream. Further updates I will be sharing in the group. Now, those of you who wish to open account with Delta Exchange, you can do that using our referral link. You will get access to our crypto community group where we share our crypto strategy. If you, the success rate of this strategy is 50-60%, but it helps us to capture bigger movement, right? So based on that, if we plan, risk reward is very good for that strategy. If you're interested, in the pinned comment you have link to open account with Delta Exchange. Use our referral code, open the account, and send a WhatsApp message to us. We will give you access. WhatsApp number is this. So after opening account, reach out to this number. My team will guide you, right? This though just trading in a range. Market has become boring, traders. What to do? You see, I've set my triggered stop loss here. I've set my triggered target here. So either whichever the market hits, no problem. Now if it moves up, hits my stop loss also, no problem. Target also. It's around $75 is the target. Stop loss is just $22. Still, I'm convinced about this trade, so I'm holding, right? So I'll close this trade now. Further details, anything, whatever happened to this trade, I'll keep you posted in the Telegram group. All right. So thank you everyone for participating. Market is just holding on to this range. So this is my stop loss. This is my target. Okay. Consider that. Okay. Thank you for participating. Any further update, I'll let you know in the group. All right, traders. Good night. Happy weekend. This is somewhat going near the stop loss. But okay, stop loss is here. Consider that I have exited if market reaches this zone. All right. Okay.